Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Mercedes-Benz S350 on a 15 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see that it's a four-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle first. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that from the button on the key or the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you can see reversing sensors and plenty of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through just a few of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle, though, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way around. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer. On the right-hand side, the rev counter. Within the rev counter, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic. We, of course, are in park at the moment. In the dead centre, you can see the total miles for the car. They are 64,657. If we back out to the steering wheel next, on the left-hand side, you can change information displayed in that central section, and over on the right-hand side, we have our stereo and phone controls. You can change up a gear and down a gear with the paddles on the left and right-hand sides. And then over into the centre next, we have the main screen for the car. So there's a number of ways in which you can access this information displayed up here. The way I'm doing or using at the moment is this dial just here. You can, as I say, use that dial. You can use this pad, so I'm swiping left and right. You can see that that is also swiping left and right with me. If you wish to, you can then just access everything via the buttons on this unit. So for example, if I press the radio button, we will then be in the radio menu. We can use the dial to rotate between FM, DAB and AM radio. We can go back a page. Media is where you will listen to your own music. And then from there, you can access the different ways in which you can listen to music. Bluetooth audio being one, so you can stream your music wirelessly. We have a CD player, memory card input. You can save your own media to the car. You can see there all the way back around to the beginning again. And incidentally, personally speaking, and what I'm using at the moment, everything that I do on the screen, I'm using that dial. I find it the easiest, most intuitive way of accessing everything. You can see this extra wide, and my hand for context, colour satellite navigation system as well. Really very clear, very easy to use as well. And we've got a full colour reversing camera, which of course, with a vehicle of this size, along with the parking sensors, is particularly handy. Working our way down from that, we have our clock. We then have the dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature, the fan speed for the passenger and driver. You can determine where you'd like the air distributed. You can put the system into auto, again, for driver and passenger, and the car will take control for you to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. Underneath that, we have our CD player, we have some storage. You can close this section over should you wish to. We have the dial and buttons that we went through just a moment ago. We have the volume for the stereo here, and you can also turn off your stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel, and this is where you turn that system on and back off again. The last thing I wanted to mention are these twin blinds that we have just here. You can open over for passengers in the rear of the vehicle, and of course this front section, which as you can see will give you a opening sunroof as well. The last thing I wanted to mention is the paperwork we have. So you can see the V5 registration document showing it's a two-owner car from new, and then the most recent service here, which was on the 16th of October of last year. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.